By the time most women hit their mid-50s, their testosterone has fallen so low you practically need a microscope to find it. And without testosterone, muscle melts, metabolism slows, and suddenly the only thing getting stronger is your coffee habit. Here are some suggestions to help fix it. Step 1, test, don't guess. Queens don't make health decisions based on vibes. You need labs, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, DHEA, thyroid, IGF-1. Because if you don't know where you are, how can you possibly plan your comeback tour? Let's talk about step 2, or restore the crown jewel. When testosterone is restored to healthy young woman levels, under proper medical care, magic happens. Muscle tone returns, energy comes back, mood lifts, and yes, those stubborn jeans start fitting again. For many women, testosterone can be life-changing. And don't worry, you won't wake up looking like The Rock. Unless you start shaving your head, and that's on you. Now, step 3, reawaken the growth signals. As we age, growth hormone takes a long vacation. Peptide CJC 1295 with ipamorelin, taken 5 nights a week before bed, is like sending it a royal summons. You'll repair faster, burn fat more efficiently, and wake up feeling less like the Tin Man and more like yourself. Next is step 4, breaking the fat loss plateau. If the scale won't budge, bring in advanced allies, like GLP-3 Rita at a microdose. It reduces inflammation, curbs appetite, and helps your body actually listen when you eat clean and move your body. This is strategy, not punishment. Queens don't starve themselves, they outsmart the enemy. Step 5, rule recovery and regeneration. Hormones and peptides are your royal advisors, but you still have to sit on the throne. Lift weights, eat enough protein, move daily, protect your sleep, because no protocol can outrun a bad bedtime. And finally, step 6, maintain the throne. Retest every few months, adjust your plan, and remember, your body is not broken. It's simply waiting for you to give it back what time has taken away. This isn't vanity, it's sovereignty. So if you've been silently living in that nothing works anymore chapter, it's time to write the next one. Test, restore, rebuild, and rule your life again. Straighten your crown and let's go.